Jame Abraham. I'm the director of Breast Oncology program at Cleveland Clinic. So I've been working with NSABP for about 15 years or so since I started working as a breast oncologist. So I started as a site investigator for clinical trials for NSABP. And as you know, NSABP is one of the most active clinical trial group in breast cancer sphere. So over the past 50 years or more than 50 years or so, NSABP has made tremendous impact in how we treat breast cancer. And that has translated into huge, if I can say, survival in patients' lives. And in the last, let's just say 7 or 8 years or so, I've been a principal investigator in several NSABP national trials. So I was really fortunate to continue to work as a site investigator, get more active in NSABP. So the science, the type of trials, the impact it has, and the group of people with NSABP really attracted me to NSABP. So over the past 6 or 7 years or so, we've been focusing on metastatic HER2-positive breast cancer. And specifically, we've been focusing on Neratinib. Neratinib is a HER2-targeted agent. So we did studies NSABP FP7, that's a neoadjuvant study. We did that a few years back. FP8, that's something we did again a few years back and we published. So in the past 3 or 4 years, we've been focusing on combining TDM1, which is a new HER2-targeted agent, with Neratinib. Neratinib is again another HER2-targeted agent. So we did the phase 1 study, we completed the phase 1, and then we are moving forward with the phase 2 of that particular study, TDM1 with Neratinib in HER2-positive metastatic breast cancer. Diagnosis of cancer is probably one of the toughest diagnoses anyone can have. And as you know, cancer is the most fearsome word in English. So the treatment for cancer is far from perfect. We have a long way to go. So the only way we can make the treatment better for tomorrow is by doing clinical trials. That's the only way. None of the drugs we use today didn't come from nowhere. It came through clinical trials. And someone somewhere said yes to a trial, and they enrolled in a trial, and they sacrificed. There is tremendous sacrifice for anyone to go on a trial. So I really, really salute the men and women when I entered into clinical trials. And that's why we can offer a better treatment today. And by doing trials, we are hoping we'll be able to offer a better treatment option for tomorrow. So we really, really want to attack this horrible disease, and we want to make sure we can continue to save lives. And the only way we can do this is by clinical trial. So clinical trial accrual is a huge challenge, especially in US. And if you talk about Europe and rest of the world, about 20 or more than 20% of patients go on clinical trial. Here in adults, it's about 3 to 5%. Personally, I think the most important person who can make an impact in clinical trial is the doctor. So if I walk into a room and talk to Mrs. Smith and say, this is the right thing to do, and there's 80% chance that that patient will do that trial. So, but before I do that, there are many things to happen. One, I need to believe in trial. Second, when I tell that to Mrs. Smith, I need to have that relationship with Mrs. Smith, and so that she trusts me, so I have that rapport. And third, I need to really believe that this is the right thing for Mrs. Smith. That's the only way we can improve clinical trial accrual in the country.